Local b-boys and b-girls were cheering on our Team USA breakers.
NBC4's Anastasia Olmos is live at Eastwood Performing Arts Center in East Hollywood with more on today's watch party and, of course, the throwdown on the dance floor. Hey, Stasi.
That's right. The party continuing here in Hollywood, all the way from Paris at the Eastwood Performing Arts Center. The WeBreak Dance Company, they hosted a big watch party here, not only to watch the sport debut, but also let the kids show off their skills.
Crickets, jackhammers, six-step, three-step, CCs, 90s, 2000s. Pretzels, windmill, backspin,
coffee grinder,
baby freeze, windmills, swipes, head spins.
They're names that will make your head spin.
You can't repeat moves and you can't bite. Bite means you can't copy a move.
Dance moves that may look easy, but require so much skill. It's now an official Olympic sport.
In a battle, you have to match the beat and freeze on time to the beat to get points.
With a lot of sports like running or pole vaulting, they all look the same. It's just who can do it better. But in terms of breakdancing, everybody has their own style, their own dance moves, their own feel to kind of everything.
LA's biggest breaking school, WeBreak, hosted a watch party for the men's finals to celebrate the sport's debut.
I like seeing what other countries had to bring, I just really like all their footwork and super clean.
People have been wanting it to be in the Olympics since the 80s. I know a lot of old school b-boys and b-girls, they've wanted this for so long.
Breaking first started, it wasn't like prizes and gold medals. It was just like trying to escape something. A lot of us come from broken homes and then a lot of stuff like that.
USA's Victor Montalvo won the bronze medal today, something 11-year-old Riverflow from Long Beach won in a national kids competition last year.
I use my shoulder spin. I spin here and I just do it for a while, or I do my halo, which when I land correctly can make the crowd go wild.
And now he dreams of making the world go wild.
One day, I feel like I really want to be in the Olympics when I'm older.
Even though the dance is now a global competition, for breakers, it will always be about self-expression and unity.
It requires so much of your soul and who you are, that losing, you really can't lose.
And that final moment that you watched right there was the kids cheering for Canada taking the gold, which really speaks to the true spirit of breaking with unity and respect. Reporting live here in Hollywood, I'm Anastasia Olmos, NBC4 News.
Stasi, before you go, did you get a chance to try it out yourself?
I knew you were going to ask me that. I can't even really do push-ups right now, so I opted to stay behind the dance floor.
She's
maybe
being
next
modest.
year.
I know, because I've seen her spin on her head. She's really good.
She is, I know. All right, Anastasia, thank you.